Mina, have you ever noticed that big brother Haseeb looked just like Baba? Same big smile and same nose.
Okay, let's find traits we got from our parents. Sorrow, what color are your eyes?
I heard about genes. They're like tiny puzzle pieces inside us, right?
Yes. Genes are tiny bits of information that decide how we look. They are made of DNA and live inside our cells.
Look, big brother! Our neighbor's cat had kittens, but they all look different.
That's because each kitten got different genes from its parents, just like you and your siblings.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Have you ever noticed how you might look like your parents or share similar features with your relatives? Today, we're going to explore the concept of heredity and find out how traits are passed down from one generation to the next.
Hey, Mina, have you ever noticed that big brother Haseeb looked just like Baba? Same big smile and same nose. And look at Mama Sadie! Dua has the same curly hair! How did that happen? Did Dua borrow Mama's curls?
Nope, she didn't borrow them, Mina. It's all because of heredity, the way traits are passed from parents to children.
Ooh.
It's like a secret family code.
Yes. And each one of you has a special mix of traits from both of us. Let's play a game, Guess the Trait. Okay, let's find traits we got from our parents. Sorrow, what color are your eyes?
Black.
And look, Mama and I both have black eyes too. That's because eye color is a trait passed down through heredity.
So if you both have black eyes, we all have to have black eyes too?
Not always, Mina. Sometimes, children can have different traits from their parents. Like if we talk about Grandpa. He has brown eyes. Oh.
So maybe one day, someone in our family might get brown eyes again.
Exactly. Traits can pass down in different ways, and that's where genes come in.
I heard about genes. They're like tiny puzzle pieces inside us, right?
Yes. Genes are tiny bits of information that decide how we look. They are made of DNA and live inside our cells.
So genes are like little artists painting our hair, eyes, and height?
That's a great way to think of it. Some genes are dominant, meaning they show up more, like black eyes. Others are recessive, meaning they only show if both parents pass them down, like brown eyes.
Wow! So that's why Haseeb is taller than me. He got more of Baba's tall genes.
And why you got Mama's dimples, Sorrow.
Look, big brother! Our neighbor's cat had kittens, but they all look different.
That's because each kitten got different genes from its parents, just like you and your siblings.
So even though we have the same parents, we don't look exactly the same?
Right. Each child gets a mix of genes from both parents. That's why you and Dua have different hair. And me and Sorrow have different smiles.
It's like a family mystery game. Everyone gets a different mix of traits.
Sorrow, think of this bead string as a chromosome. Each bead is a gene, and they come in pairs, one from me, one from Mama Sadie.
So that's why we have traits from both of you.
Yes. And sometimes genes mix in fun ways. If a red flower and a white flower have a baby flower, guess what color it might be?
Red and white together. Pink?
That's right. That's called incomplete dominance, when two traits blend.
Whoa! So that means traits can mix in different ways too?
Yes. Sometimes both traits show up together, like codominance. Think of a cow with both white and brown spots.
But what if a baby animal gets a totally new trait?
Great question. That happens when genes mutate or change. Sometimes, a mutation helps an animal survive better.
Like how some rabbits have white fur in winter to hide in the snow.
Exactly. Over time, helpful mutations help animals evolve to fit their environment.
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about heredity? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time. What is heredity? A. A game. B. Passing traits. C. A food. The correct answer is B. Passing traits. That's why you may have the same eye color as your parents. What carries traits in our body? A. Eyes. B. Bones. C. Genes. The real trait carriers are C. Genes. Genes are tiny instructions inside our cells that decide things like hair color, height, and so much more. Why do siblings look different? A. Because of different genes. B. Because they grow differently. C. Because they borrow traits. Because of different genes. Each child gets a unique mix of genes, which makes them look different from each other. What happens when traits blend, like red and white making pink? A. Mutation. B. Codominance. C. Incomplete dominance. When red and white make pink, it's called C. Incomplete dominance. Instead of one trait being stronger, they mix together to create something new. What causes a new helpful trait in animals? A. Eating more. B. Running fast. C. Gene mutation. The real reason for new traits is C. Gene mutation. Mutations can create changes that help animals survive better in their environment. Join us next time as we explore the general terms of inheritance and deepen our understanding of how traits are inherited. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.